come along as we travel from Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai. This is what the VIP green bus looks like. I highly recommend it. It's only a couple dollars more per ticket and there's a lot more room. I need to point out that these have foot rests and I'm able to recline my seat like this. Awesome. Gave us some snacks along the way and there were bathrooms on there, so there was no issues. It was about a 3-hour journey, but it was super comfortable. All right, so here's our room. We're at the, I don't know if it's Yang, I'm not really sure, but there's a bathtub, which is awesome. That's exciting. I might have a bath at some point this week. And here's the bathroom, good lighting. Some robes, extra blankets. Tea, coffee, and breakfast is included here for us as well. And this is just a child-proof situation. I don't know why I can't get in. Pause 1 second. So there's some water there, it's included. And the room is nice and big too. So that's awesome. Fruit salad, fruits. Things to make some salads, cereals, and milk, yogurt. French onion soup, roll, yum. Sausage, ham, scrambled eggs, those are almost empty, baked beans and tomato sauce. Spices, boiled rice and pork ribs, stir-fried noodles, soy sauce, sauteed pork and brown sauce, stir-fry, soy some, rice, fried rice, omelets, station fried eggs, croissants, breads, some juice, some water, soy milk over here, and coffee and tea. Breakfast was great. The staff were great. They have an awesome pool there as well. I have zero complaints about this hotel, and it was in a great location. Going to drop off some more laundry. Right back from our walk. I got this Coke Lime Zero Sugar, and we got a bunch of water, so we're gonna put those in the fridge now. It's definitely a lot cheaper to buy them at the store instead of buying them at your hotel and stuff. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 16 bottles for 90 baht. So that's $3 and something. So that's really good. All right, lunch buffet. Got some sweets over there. Got some fried rice. Regular white rice. Some chicken. Steamed fish. Mixed vegetables. Hot chili soup with pork. Papaya salad. Wontons. Thai curry, curry noodle, potatoes, pasta, tomatoes, roasted tomato, pork and mushroom sauce, rolls, more soup, or onion soup, and desserts. pineapple. I am so excited, guys. I'm at this spot. It's called the Cat in a Cup, and you can buy these little treats and you can go and feed all the cats. I'm so excited.
I was honestly very impressed with this place. It was very clean. The cats seemed like they were well taken care of and happy. It didn't have any sort of smell to it. The upstairs did a tiny little bit because it had that green, like grass looking stuff down. But there was no entry fee at the time that we went. You just each had to purchase one item. So we had each gotten a drink, and we also bought some cat food to feed them.
They also have an upstairs area here. There's more kitties. This guy's so nice. Wow. Oh, you want some of those? Give him one. You want to know what a treat?
Had time for a quick little swim, and this place is a prime location if you're looking to go to the night bazaar. It is literally a hop, skip, and a jump, and you're there, so that's our next stop. There's clothing and jewelry there for a really great cost, and they have a lot of great food too. This is where I found the best cashew chicken that I've had so far in Thailand, and I've been here for almost 4 months.
All right, I got some cashew chicken and some spring rolls at the night bazaar. This is boloi, and it's rice balls, and there's ice cream in there. It looks like there might be some veggies in there.
Yeah, there's everything in there.
All kinds of stuff, so we'll see how it is. Update on this, it's actually super good. The rice balls are chewy and warm. The ice cream, and there's sweet potato in there too. It's actually really good.
Pink noodles.
Wow.
If you're ever in Thailand and you want to try something, mango sticky rice is all over the place, and it is super delicious, super fresh, super sweet, and semi-healthy.
And we got some fresh mango sticky rice.
And while in Thailand, Cody obviously has been training a ton of Muay Thai, so here's a few clips from one of his sessions.
There is the clock tower. We got some nachos, and I got some onion rings. All right, I got some Thai sirloin steak, and Cody got strip loin steak. So just a side note about this place is they take cash only. They do transfers too, but Cody and I haven't figured that whole situation out. So lesson learned going forward, we're just gonna have to ask before we sit down if it's cash only or not. And we just had to walk 10 minutes to an ATM. Not a big deal, but anyway, lesson learned.